Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to jazz up my boxed pancake mix from the store to make rainbow pancakes. This is a great way to make breakfast fun, and since we are all in that quarantine mode, this is a good pantry item to use and save the flour that you have because I don't have much left. So anyways, breakfast is definitely going to be colorful, tasty, and fun. So first, I'm going to show you some of the things that I will be utilizing to color the pancakes. For example, fresh blueberries. That's a great way to get the colors purple just by blending it with some water. And I also have a natural food coloring. You could use whatever you have in your pantry because I also have other gel food colorings. And I'm going to use my blueberry puree and also utilize it for the color blue. I'm going to add just a little bit of food coloring to make the blue color pop. And those are two colors done. Another color that I'm going to be making is red. And for that, I'm using freeze-dried strawberries. I'm going to pulse those into a powder, and that's going to give me the color red. I may also use some of my food color just to intensify the red color. Now for the yellow and the orange, I am utilizing a natural food color, but again, it's something I had last year. Some of these are kind of dried, so I'm going to do the best I can. And for the green, I will also be using green tea. That is a great way to get green in your pancake without using food coloring. Okay, so at this point I've created all the colors. Some of them I mixed with water, some are dry, but now I'm just going to use my pantry item pancake mix. If you have items or ingredients to use for a homemade pancake batter, great, do that. I am going to use my store-bought pancake mix. It's just add water. It's great, especially now that I'm trying to utilize anything and everything to sort of make my ingredients stretch longer so I don't have to go to the store. So I'm just going to follow the ratio of the instructions on the back of this box and do the best I can. With just add water pancake mix, I find that it's very forgiving. You kind of add water, you kind of add the mix, and just find the right consistency that works for you. So while I'm doing this, you know, a lot of us are in lockdown or just self quarantine, and my son is having his piano lesson online. But anyways, back to the pancakes. So I am going to start making these. So here I have my griddle preheating on a medium low to low heat. I've sprayed it with a little bit of avocado oil spray, wiped it down, and since it's preheated, I'm going to make my first pancake. I'm going for the purple one. Hopefully we get a good purple color out of this. Probably could get 2 small pancakes out of the amount I made. And this is just, something fun I'm doing for my kids. I actually have a cousin that does this for her kids on their birthdays. She surprises them with colorful pancakes. She also has a YouTube channel, Daily Dash of Life. Shout out, Cuzzy. When my other cousin texted me yesterday and said, hey, can you do rainbow pancakes? I'm like, sure, why not? By the way, for those of you that, really don't know how to make pancakes, the trick is to have a moderate heat level. You don't want it too low because then the batter spreads everywhere, but you don't want it too high because it burns before the inside cooks. And see these little bubbles that kind of pop, they kind of come up and pop? That's the indication that obviously the inside is cooking, and when you see a lot of them, that's typically what you look for to flip. So I'm going to let this go for another 15 seconds and then I'm going to give it a flip. And it also depends how thick you have the batter. You might not get a lot of bubbles if your batter is sort of thick. So there you go. Okay. By the way, for those of you that always ask, my mom gave me this. This is for pancakes. It's a really oversized spatula, and I don't know where she got it. There we go. Okay, not too bad. It's not as purple as I thought it was going to be, maybe because it kind of got that golden brown color, but it's a natural way to get a purplish color to your pancake by using pureed blueberries. So I'm going to continue cooking this, and I'm just going to go for it. I'm going to do one of each color so you guys get to see, you know, rainbow colored pancakes. So my pancakes are done, and I just want to show you how colorful they look. You can serve this with whipped cream, pancake syrup and butter, maple syrup with fresh fruit on top. So many ways you can have your morning pancakes. I hope you give this recipe a try. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching.